Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Far Away. In this video guys, I'm going to be painting some miscellaneous parts from that candy paint job that I did. I got the door handles, I got the grill, and these two other spoilers, they're for different cars. This is from my car, and that's from another car. So I'm going to be painting everything black, so that's what I'm going to be doing. Alright guys, I'm going to be using the Iwata. Alright, a couple of people have been telling me what kind of gun it is. It's an Iwata WS400 Evil. Alright, and it has a 1.3, the needle nozzle combination. And it's a real good gun. It's a real good gun. So, and I'm using the PPS cups also from 3M. So on this gun only. Alright guys. Right now in here where I'm at, let me show you how hot it is. Hopefully you can see it. It's 104 in here. So yeah, that's how it is. But all right, that's enough talking. Let me go back to the painting and let me start shooting black on this. And there it is, guys. This is after 3 coats of base. The base, I shot it at 29 psi or 2 bar, whichever method you're using. But they're ready. Now I'm going to be adding 3 coats of clear, which is going to be the Tamco clear. All right, the 2105 Tamco. That's the clear that I'm going to be applying to this. And I'm also going to be adding 3 coats. And that's it. That'll be it for this these little miscellaneous parts. All right, so let me continue. Let me show you the first pass of the clear, and then I'll show you the last pass. Okay, so so you can see the finished result. All right, guys, there it is. That's after 3 coats of clear. Came out really nice. And that's it. That's it for this video, guys. I have something coming up that's hopefully going to be an interest to you guys. It's going to be a pedal car. And it's going to be for a lowrider show that's coming up. So it's going to be metal flaked. It's going to be candy painted. It's going to be decked out. It's going to be a real nice pedal car that I'm going to be doing. Hopefully you guys can stay for that. And that's it, guys. That's it. Guys, subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, hit the thumbs up. It helps a lot. Also, share the video so that we can reach that 30,000 subscriber mark. Hit the little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Guys, hit the link below. Help me out if you can. If you do, I'll add your name on the next upcoming video, guys. So this will be it for this weekend, guys. Thank you. God bless. And see you in the next video.